So hi everyone, good evening all. So welcome to yet another Kahoot quiz session. So before I continue, host, am I clearly audible?
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Okay. So once again, good evening all. So I think you are ready for the next Qriosity series quiz. So the design examination is all on the way, and that's why we have initiated this year's the latest Kahoot series, in which we will play an exciting game in which you will learn different topics of the design examinations. So in each Kahoot quizzes we have included different kind of topics which will be helpful for your design examination preparations, and it includes GK, arithmetic or quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning. So these kind of topics has been included. So we think you must be ready for the upcoming quiz. So in order to play the game, so some of you might be already played the Kahoot quiz last time, but for those who are new for the Kahoot quiz, let me tell you how you can play this game. So learning is always better if you are learning through a particular game. So Kahoot has been designed in such a way that you can play in an interacting way. So at the end of the session there will be winners. So we will be playing and we'll be learning through a game. So in order to play this game, you need the Kahoot app, or you can log in with Kahoot IT website. So there should be a game pin. You can right now see on the top of the screen there will be a game pin for this particular demo quiz. So initially we will play the demo quiz, and only after that we will move on to the main quiz. So first it will be a demo quiz in which there will be in which you will learn how to play the game. So those who are new, it will be better to start with a demo quiz session, and after that we will play the actual quiz session. So for the demo quiz you can join with game pin 9782136. So how will you play the Kahoot quiz? So you can play through Kahoot app and Kahoot IT website. One, you need to only download the Kahoot app, or you can log in with kahoot.it website. You need to enter the game pin and we will join the game. So how you can see the question? So it is through our live, which has been currently going on the THiNC Institute of Design YouTube channel. So the questions will be visible through the YouTube channel of THiNC Institute of Design, and the options to answer will be available in Kahoot app or Kahoot website. You can opt the answers through Kahoot app or Kahoot website. And also for that you need two devices, in which one you can see the question and in another you can opt the answers. So one way in order to attempt the quiz is through two devices, or if you are using a PC or laptop, you can use the split screen option, in which one screen you can use the YouTube channel to see the question, and one screen you can log into kahoot.it with gamepin and you can answer it that way. Or otherwise, in a third way, you can use the multiple tab option, in which in one tab you can use the YouTube channel to see the questions, and one tab you can log in with the game pin in Kahoot website. In that way you can play the game. So initially, first we will play the demo quiz session, so in order to familiarize with the platform, and after that we will be moving on with the actual quiz session. So we are expecting more students to join, so everyone please join the quiz session. So the actual quiz session is all on the way, but before that we will be first initially playing the demo quiz to familiarize the platform. So again, about the Kahoot quiz, it is an interactive game in which you can play and you can learn the different topics, in which it will be for the upcoming design examination. So all of you will be preparing for the upcoming design examination like NID, Uceed and Nift. And basically this quiz session is basically focused on those design examination. So THiNC Institute of Design is also being a part of your preparation, giving you these kind of interactive quiz session in order to familiarize with the design questions. So the game rules are simple. So you can see the questions on the screen. You can answer it through the Kahoot app or Kahoot website, and there will be option. Even with the first demo quiz, you will be familiarized with the platform also. And excitingly, for the toppers, there will be for the winners, the top three, they will be awarded with prize money. So a total prize money worth 1,000 will be divided among the winners. And yes, so I think few more students to join the session, so we'll start in a few minutes. So hi everyone again. So hi Jaisnavi, hi Gopika, hi Alma, hi Akhila, hi Nefrin, hi Arjun, Anju, Tumbi, Nayan, Safa, Nasla, SKM, JS, Adarsh, Manasi, Ayush, Rin, Amok, Vivin, Ashwini, Safna, Neil, Jishnu, Kavya, Rihan, Raina, Gayatri, Nima, Vismay, Vishal, Vineet, Harishankar, Snehit, Rachel, Teja. So hi everyone. Hi Jishnu and hi Nayan. Hope you are really excited to play the game. So each game will give you each category, each kind of question to familiarize with the design examination and hope you will enjoy the game. So learning through an interactive platform is the main aim through the Kahoot quiz application. So I think it's almost 43 on the YouTube channel. So those who are still waiting to join, so please use the game pin 9782136 to play the demo quiz. We are still on the demo quiz. We will just move on to the actual quiz session after the demo quiz, after you join, after you familiarize with the platform. I think this year's second Kahoot quiz series. In total, it is the 61st Kahoot quiz series. Okay, so I think without a delay, we will start. We will first initially start with the demo quiz. I think already 37 have joined. So we will start with the demo quiz and later we will move on to the actual quiz. Okay guys, so initially we will play with the demo quiz and you have to familiarize with the platform. So yes, so we will start the demo quiz. Only after the demo quiz it will be the actual quiz session. So this is how you will have to play the game. The question, there will be two questions for this particular demo quiz. You can see the question through our YouTube channel for this. You can see the question in our YouTube channel. You can answer this question through the Kahoot application in which you have to enter the pin. So still you can see the game pin at the bottom page. 9782136 is the game pin. So you can use those game pin and also you can enter the game and you can play. So Kahoot game is always about the speed and also the correctness. So how fast you answer the question, so that much will be the point. Also that point that will be rewarded will be according to that the correctness of the answers and also the speed. So here D is the correct answer. So 10 among you has answered it correctly. So this is how you answer. So each after every questions there will be time. You can see the timer also. You have seen the timer on the right hand, and after the timer ends, after the time ends, so each specific time will be allocated for a question, and after that that will be end, and you can see the correct answer and how many of you have corrected. So here it's 10. Option D is the correct answer. 10 among you has answered it correctly. So we will see the scoreboard. So this is how the scoreboard will be visible. So here for the demo quiz, Jishnu has scored 904 and there is Rin, Amog, Harishankar and Safa. So this is the leaderboard. Let's move on to this is how the leaderboard will be visible. So then we'll move on to the second question, then that is a double point. So one important thing I need to mention, there will be double point question. So double point question means for that particular question the point will be double. Those who answered it correctly, the points will be double. So double point questions are a bonus points questions in which you can earn more points. So the second question, you can see on the left side the timer which is going on, and also on the right side the number of participants who has answered. So this is how the platform works. So again, C is the correct answer. So 18 among you has answered it correctly. So moving to the leaderboard. So this is the podium. Since the demo quiz only have two questions, so here is the podium. So Safa is on third, Jishnu is on second, and first the demo quiz will be Amog. So yeah, congrats Amog. Hope you will be right in this in the upcoming actual quiz sessions. So this is how the game works. And we will now move on to the actual quiz. So please wait, guys. We will. So yes, the game pin is loading for the actual quiz session. So here is the game pin for the actual quiz session. So everyone, please join with the game. The game pin 621493. I think you are all familiarized with the platform. So the game pin is 621493 for the actual quiz session. We are waiting for you. So yes, so faster, guys. So about today's quiz session, so there are 10 questions in this particular Kahoot game, the 61st game. So in this, you can expect GK question, you can expect logical reasoning question, there might be arithmetic questions. So these kind of different topics has been incorporated in this today's Kahoot quiz. And you can join with 621493, and the Kahoot game is all about the speed and also the correctness. So how fast you will go with the answers, then that how big will be your points. Also the points also depends on how fast you have clicked the or opted the correct answers. So make sure you are fast. So that's about it. So everyone, quick. So hi Mansi, hi Adira, hi Gopika, hi Nayan, hi Shaba, Ashwini, Navneet, Tumbi, Kishore, Harishankar, Sneha, Safa, Jayesh, Rin, Rihan, Jishnu, Akhila, Neil, Vivin, Kavya, Adarsh, Arjun, Nefrin, Ayush, Amok, Mishal, Vismay, Rain, Roshan, Gayatri, Alma, Shabrina, Nima, Ice, Safna, Rachel, Vineet, Vishal, Nasila, Dia, Anju, Sauparnika, Teresa, Arjun, and Punikara. Okay. So we are all waiting for you. So please join the game using the game pin 621493. So that's a game pin for you guys. So you know now how to play the game. So you need the Kahoot app or the Kahoot website to opt the answer. The question will be visible in the YouTube channel. You can watch the questions through our YouTube channel. So hi Adityan, hi Jaisnavi. So it's now 46 participants. So please join. We will still wait for a few seconds and we will start the game as soon as possible. So again about the game is all about the speed and correctness of your answer. So how fast you answer the question, that much will be your points. The points really depend on how fast you are and how correct your answer is. So also at the end of the day, for the toppers, the total prize money will be 1,000. Each will be divided among the three winners, three toppers of the Kahoot quiz. At the end of the Kahoot session, there will be three winners, three toppers in first, second, and third position. For those, we will provide uh, prize money as a reward for their participation and getting into those top position. So 51 has joined this. So now 50 has joined. So Adira, hi Sagar, hi Adila. So if you are ready, please type it on the YouTube comment box, guys. So if you are ready, we are ready to go. So if everyone is ready, you can also communicate through only the YouTube channel. So please type it on the chat box if you are ready to go. So yes, we shall say ready. So everyone, Jishnu Tambi has mentioned ready. Rachel ready. Okay, Surya, Safna, Harishankar, Vismay, Kishore. Okay then. So I think it's time to play Kahoot. So hope you will enjoy this particular. Okay, so Sarthak has mentioned, sir, please. Yeah, we'll just wait, Sarthak. So please join as fast as you can. So Nayan, Amok, Arjun, yes. Teja. Okay, guys, please join as fast as you can. Okay then. So I think we will start, I guess. So hope everyone is ready. So please enter the game pin 621493 in order to play the game. And I hope Sarthak has joined, I guess. Hi Adila. Okay. So again, welcome to the game, the 61st Kahoot quiz game of the series. And also you all will be preparing for the upcoming design examination, and with that perspective we have included design oriented topics for this particular Kahoot quiz session. So guys, the Kahoot is all about the speed and the correctness and how fast you can answer the questions, so that much will be your points. And I hope you will enjoy this particular series of Kahoot quiz, and I think you all are ready to play. So let's Kahoot. So here is the first question for you. So number 61, the Qriosity quiz, the 61st one. Here is the first question for you. Identify the correct set of legs to balance his body as he carries a heavy box. So here is the first question. You have 30 seconds to answer the question. So time's up. So the correct answer was option C. 40 among you has answered it correctly. So I hope it's time to open the scoreboard, and we are excited to show you how will be the scoreboard and who tops the game after the first question. So this kind of question, I think this is one among the previous year question also, and one of the important category of question which will be continuously asking for the Iit kind of examinations. So those who have revised with the question papers, definitely you have gone through this category of question. So here is the first scoreboard. Let's see who tops the game after the first question. Yes, Shabridan with 891 points tops the table. Vivian with 871 points tops on second. Amok with 866 points on third. Arjun with 864 points on fourth. Akhila with 861 points on the fifth position. So we have just started, open the scoreboard. So Shabrinath, Vivina, Amok, Arjun and Akhila leads the scoreboard now after the first question. So without any delay, we can move on to the next question. So guys, those who are still not entered the game, still you have the chance to enter the game. The game pin is 621493. You can join the game with that particular game pin. So only one question is gone, so there is still 9 questions more. So those who want to still join the game, please join with the game pin 621493. So here is the second question for you. So here it is. The second question is a multiple select question. So if the simple interest charge for 9 months be 0.12 times the money borrowed, what is the rate percent per year? So time's up. So 16 is the correct answer. So 16 among you has answered it correctly, so that's a coincidence. The 16 is the answer, and 16 of you has answered it correctly. So even it's mentioned as multiple choice, the answer was a one answer with 16% is as the single answer for this particular question. So let's see the scoreboard after this. Will there be any change in the scoreboard, or let's see. Yes, Shabri stands still on the point with 1,318 points. Shabri not. So Rachel with 1,151 points on second. Safa with 1,120 points on third. Jaisnavi with 1,109 points on fourth. Nasla with 1,076 points on the fifth position. I think rather than the first position, all four positions has been changed. And special mention for Sauparniga. Sauparniga is the highest climber at this stage of the game. So Shabri again tops the table with 1,318 points. I think the all other position has been changed. So anything can happen in the next 8 questions. So let's see, will Shabri maintain the position or any other will be on the top table with beating Shabri. So let's see. So third question for you. So seems to be a logical reasoning questions. Yes. So here is the question for you. So time's up. So that was a question from logical reasoning question. So the correct answer was 3 by 10. 11 among you has answered it correctly. So how is it going, guys, after the 3 questions? So this is the third question. So how is it going? I think the first question, just after second and third, how is it going? So please type your reaction on the comment box. How is it going till now? So it's only the third question. So 7 questions more. And also, I also want to mention about the Design Ashan, the Instagram page. So a lot of activities are going to happen on the Design Ashan, which is exclusively for the design and architecture oriented topics. So those who still hadn't followed that page, you can go and follow this particular page called Design Ashan for further updates on various kind of design topics and also different kind of various notes kind of stuffs. So please do follow Design Ashan, and also we are sharing the previous Kahoot playlist in order to get more update on different kind of questions. So already 60 Kahoot quizzes are over. So those who want to revise those particular quizzes, we will also share the playlist of the Kahoot previous Kahoot quizzes. You can take it as a reference also. You can also watch those questions. So it's all about the interactive learning. Okay. So still you are liking these kind of quizzes, please do subscribe THiNC Institute of Design channel also. So here is after the third questions, how will be the leaderboard? Let's see. Only 11 have answered it correctly, the logical reasoning. Here is the point table. Yes, there is a change in the leader table. Jishnu has come up to the first position with 1,713 points. Nasila with 1,698 points on second. Adira with 1,685 points on third. Alma with 1,478 points on fourth. Ponikkara with 1,437 points on the fifth. I think there is all four. I think all 5 are new to the table, I guess. So the game is changing on every questions. The toppers has changed. The first, second, third, fourth position and fifth position has been changing after each and every questions. I think on first and second question Shabri was on top, now Jishnu is on top. So again 7 questions more. Not only we just only completed only 3 questions, 7 more questions to come. So also a special mention on Roshan is the highest climber on this particular question. So congrats Jishnu, Nasla, Atira, Alman, Punikara. So let's move on to the fourth question. So identify the building printed in 20 rupee note. So time's up. So 33 among you has answered it correctly. So 33, I think so far the highest number of candidates who have opted the correct answer. 33 among you has answered it correctly. So I think there might be a chance in change in the scoreboard. Let's see, will there be any change or Jishnu still top the table and all other 4 positions. Let's see. Here is the point table. Yes, there is a change. Nasila come to the first position with 2,590 points. Jishnu come up with 2,541 points on second. Teresa at third. Roshan on fourth, and Arjun on the fifth position. So there is also a special mention on Nasila has the highest answer streak of 4. I think Nasila has corrected all 4 answers and also the highest answer streak of 4. So congrats Nasla. Again, the game is so much interesting. So on every question the point table is changing, the first positions are changing, the all 4 positions are changing. I think it's really getting interested. So who will win the game? So let's see. So congrats Nasla, Jishnu, Teresa, Roshan, Arjun. So still 6 more questions to go. Still those who have not yet joined the game, so please do join the game with 621493 with game pin 621493. So we are almost halfway. So here is the fifth question for you. And after that, definitely we want to know how the game is going on. And please do type it on the comment box. So let's see the fifth question. So that's a double point question for you guys. Time's up. So 675 is the correct answer. 9 among you has answered it correctly. So I think the answering is a little bit low on this particular question. And also this is basically on the topic mechanical systems. So always a unique topic for the Uceed category of question. Always mechanical kind of systems, pulley, gear kind of questions are always asked for such kind of examination like Uceed, and also in NID logical reasoning part also. So 675 is the correct answer, and we were almost halfway. 5 more questions to go. So we just want to know how it's going. So everyone, so can you please just mention on the comment box how is it going? Whether it's going smooth, it's interesting, or it's little bit on the harder part. So how is it going for you guys? Please comment it down the chat box so I can only see you through the YouTube comment box. So please type Vishal, tough. Okay. And Togim, nice. And please, enjoying. Great. 23rd rank. Okay, good going, Manisha. Don't worry. There are 5 more questions. 9, Okesh. Ranjit, variety questions. Jishnu, tough. Okay. Come on, few more. I just want to hear from others too. Manali, good. Okay, great. Okay then, so we will just move on. So I think it's almost halfway and 5 questions has been completed. And let's see, will there be any change in the leaderboard? Let's see anything happen to the leaderboard. Will there be any change or there is any entire change? I think only 9 has answered this question correctly. Let's see. Yes. So again, Jishnu has come to the track with 4063 points. So congrats, Jishnu. And then Manasi is at second, Arjun is at third, Nima is on fourth, and Rihan on the fifth position. So again, Jishnu has a special mention for Jishnu has the highest answer streak of 3. So congrats, Jishnu. So again, Jishnu has topped the table with 4063 points and again back on game. And Mansi on second, Arjun on third, Nima on fourth, and Rihan on fifth position. So it's after the 5 questions, 5 questions more. Let's see what will happen in the game. So moving on to the 6th question. So identify the antonyms of haughty from the following. Time's up. So submissive was the correct answer. 18 among you has answered it correctly, and that question was for the Nift ones. Again, the antonyms, synonyms, that such kind of questions are morely asked in the Nift question papers, more asked on the Nift question papers. So 6 questions down. Let's see the leaderboard. So here is again Jishnu stands still on the leaderboard with 4,867 points. Nima has come to the second position with 3,812 points. Manasi has come to the third with 3,556. Arjun come up to the fourth with 3,451. Jay has come to the fifth position with 3,317 points. And a special mention for Vismay. Vismay is the highest climber on this round. So congrats Jishnu, congrats Nima, congrats Manasi, Arjun and JS. So really good going guys. I think again the leaderboard is again getting changed. The positions are changing. 6 questions are down. Let's move on to the 7th question. Find the number of unique symbols in the image given below. Time's up. So the correct answer was 26. 16 among you has answered it correctly. So again, that was one of the continuously asked questions for UC. This pattern, this category of question is mainly asked in the UC kind of examination papers. So 7 questions down. Let's see the scoreboard. So before that, if you're liking the quiz, do, those who are not yet subscribed our channel, do subscribe our channel, and also do follow the Instagram page Design Ashan for more these kind of contents, exam oriented contents. So yes, the scoreboard after the 7 question. Here it is, the scoreboard. Again, Jishnu stands still on the first position with 4,867 points. JS has come to the second position with 4,144 points. Nima to the third with 3,812. Manasi on fourth with 3,556 points. Rihan on fifth with 3,527 points. There's special mention for Kishore. Kishore is the highest climber here. So again, 7 questions are down. Still, Jishnu stands top in the table with 4,867 points. Still, there might be the double point questions. So, always after the double point question, there is a huge change in the game. So, if there is a double point question, that is definitely a game changer. Let's see this time whether that double point questions will change the game or not, or Jishnu stands still on the game, and also the all other 4 JS, Nima, Mansi, Rihan means continue their positions. So let's see the 8th question. Here is the 8th question for you. What is the official mascot for Qatar Football World Cup 2022? And that is a current affair. And all football fans out there, you need to go with the answer. Yes, I think, yeah, the answer streak is high for this question. I guess there are more football fans here for this particular quest. 31 among you has answered it correctly. So that was the 8th question. I think, yeah, there might be a change in the leaderboard after the 8th question. 2 more questions to go. Let's see the leaderboard. Here is the leaderboard. Again, Jishnu and Jay stand still on the position, and this is change in the last 3 positions. Jishnu stands still with 5,774 points on the first. JS on second with 4,993 points. Manasi on third with 4,413 points. Rihan on fourth with 4,354 points. And Arjun on fifth position with 4,243 points. And special mention for you, Saubarnika. Saubarnika, you is the highest climber on this round. Again, guys, 2 more questions to go in for the end of this particular game, the 61st Kahoot game. So 2 more questions. Jishnu stands still. I think still there might be any double point question, and also the scores are quite little bit tight. uh, the difference are low, I guess. Still, you can beat among yourself with the upcoming 2 questions. So let's see again. Those who are still not yet subscribed, THiNC Institute of Design YouTube channel, do subscribe. More exciting quizzes like this and also video series are coming all the way in order to help you for the upcoming design examinations. So please do subscribe THiNC Institute of Design official channel. So if you are liking the contents, and so do you do still want to get the notifications for the up-to-date things related to design and architecture examinations. And also, if you want to see the previous Kahoot quiz, we do share the Kahoot playlist also. You can watch those previous quizzes and also learn from that. We have different set of Kahoot quizzes, different Kahoot quiz sets we have played last years, and you can also take it as a reference. So do watch those videos also, and also do subscribe and do follow the Instagram channel Design Ashan. So okay guys, so let's move on to the 9th question. Here it is. Spot the number of difference between the image given below. Time's up. So the 5 was the correct answer. Again, that was an answers tree question. So 31 among you has answered it correctly. So yes, so that was the 9 question. So still one more question to go. And again, I would also like to know how the game going. Still one more questions left towards the end of this game. We are going to end towards the end of the game. So there is one more question left. Also really want to know how these 9 questions went well for you guys. So please comment on the chat box. How was the question? So everyone please do comment how was the game till the 9 question. Only one more question. Only one more which will decide who will win the game. Today is the 61st Kahoot quest. So hi. Is that hi or hi? Okay. So come on, few more. I just need to. So Vishal, have to practice more. Okay. Yes, Vishal. So for the design examination, yes, really practicing is will get you there. So definitely do practice. Definitely go for the previous year question papers also. Jishnu, Tambi, tough and interesting. Still, Jishnu, you are on the table. So again, I would like to see from others too. So please do comment. Come on, guys. I would like to hear from you. So still one more questions to go. So please comment. How's it? I think top gameplay Vishal just only 3. I think I can see 54 among you on the screen. So please comment. It's gone. Yes. So Nayan need to practice more, man. Let's go. Good questions, or please add more questions next time. Yeah, definitely we'll consider that too. Manisha. Okay. So that good to hear from your side. So yeah, everyone's saying about the practice. Yeah, really you need to go for it. Really need to practice more questions on different topic, logical, GK, arithmetic. So also previous year question papers, whether it's NID, UCID or Nift, go for the previous year question papers, do it more, and also follow the pattern of those questions. So that was the 9 question. We were just there. So there is only one more question to decide the winner. So let's see the leaderboard. Will there be any change? Let's see. Still, Jishnu stands top on the position with 6,662 points. Manasi on second with 5,088 points. Rihan with 4,993 points on third. JS, oh, again a tight competition, 4,993 points. Alma with 4,466 points on the fifth. Special mention for Devanarayan, he's the highest climber. So again, Jishnu stands still in the game, still tops the game with the 6,662 points. Manasi with 5,088 points on second, Rihanna on third, JS and Rihan tied competition, guys, for the third position. It's a tie between them, and definitely we will know on the final round, the final question, who will win. And also Alma with 4,466 points on the fifth position. So congrats Jishnu, Mansi, Rihan, JS and Alma. So we are moving on to the last and final question of the series. So here is the last and final question. So again, those who still didn't subscribe our YouTube channel, do subscribe our channel and also do follow Design Action Instagram page for more updates and more contents related to the design examinations. And also for more queries, do call on 8086 111 933 number, 8086 111 933 for more queries. So here is the last and final question for Kahoot 61. Here is the 10th question for you. That is a double point question, guys. So yes, we will see who will top the table, who will win the game. Time's up. So 40 was the correct answer. Only 6 among you has answered it correctly. It's really interesting. Only 6 of you corrected, and we didn't know who were those 6. And that was a double point question. Will there be any change in the scoreboard? Will there be new winners on the first 3 position? Let's see the final results. We are going on with the final results. So for this question, only 6 among you has answered it correctly. So again, the Kahoot is all about the speed and the accuracy. So do I think, and I also guess you have enjoyed this particular session of Kahoot series. If you're liking this content, do subscribe THiNC Institute of Design YouTube channel, and also do follow Design Ashan, the Instagram page, for more interesting contents. For further queries, you can also call 8086 933. And also, for those who are winners, I think after this we will be directly going with the podium. So those who are winning the game, those who are on the first three places, do send your details to 8086 933. Your screenshot and also the payment details also you just need to share in 8086 933 number. So please note that. So moving on to the podium. So here are the winners of Qriosity Quest 61. On third position with 4,993 points, Rihan is on third with 5,088 points. Manasi is on second, and first with 6,662 points, Jishnu tops the table. So congrats Jishnu, congrats Manasi, and congrats Rihan. And runners up are JS and Nefren. So congrats Jishnu, congrats Manasi and Rihan. They tops the table and win the game, the 61st Kahoot quest. So Jishnu on first, Manasi on second, and Rihan on third. So congrats everyone, and congrats everyone those who are participated. So it's really interested. Each and every moment was really interesting towards the first 5 questions. Also after that. So congrats guys, and also do the winners, the Jishnu, Manasi, and Rihan, do send screenshot and also your payment details to 8086 933 number, which will be shared in the also in the comment section, the 8086 933 number. So do share your screenshot, and congrats again Jishnu, Manasi, and Rihan. And also on every Sundays we will be conducting the Kahoot quiz. So all the design examination, NID, Uceed, Nift, so all three examinations notifications are now, the dates are out now, and you will be on your preparations mode. So that's why we have come up with these interesting quiz sessions. So definitely we will meet you on the upcoming quiz session. So again, congrats everyone, and also for those who are participated guys, so do participate also in the upcoming quiz session. It's really interesting to play, and we're also really interested to learn by playing these kind of games, so through an interactive platform like an interactive learning. So that's it for now guys. So do subscribe THiNC Institute of Design YouTube channel, those who have not yet. So and also do follow Design Ashan, our Instagram page, for more contents, and also for the previous Kahoot quizzes. So we will share the playlist, so do watch. For more queries you can call up to 8086 933 number. So with that we will wind up this particular session of Kahoot. So thank you everyone, thank you so much. Let's see you on the next session. So congrats for the winners Jishnu, Manasi, and Rehan. Don't forget to send the screenshot and the payment details to 8086 933 number. So that's it for now. So thank you everyone, thank you so much, and see you on the next game.